Hello guys, this is Farz and I'm here with another new tutorial. In this tutorial I'll show you how to create a creamy pastel color grading in Photoshop using Camera Raw, and I will give this presets free. This is a famous effect nowadays in Instagram, and lots of famous photographers using this type of color grading. So let's get started. Okay, at first copy the layer by pressing Ctrl and J and then convert to smart object, and then go to filter, then Camera Raw filter. Okay, I want to increase the temperature a little bit. I think 5 is okay, and also the tint just a little, and leave the exposure, and I want to decrease the contrast. -6 is perfect, and decrease the highlights around -40. That's good, and bump up the shadows. And increase the white a little bit. That's fine, and decrease the black. -7 or -8 is perfect. Then I'll add some clarity around 10, and then 16 for vibrance and -10 for saturation. Then comes into tone curve, and then I'm gonna add a faded look in the shadow. So bring this point a little bit up, and then create another point. I think this is fine. And then add another point here. Just add a little bit contrast. I think this is fine. Now create another point. Yeah, that's fine. Then select red here. I wanna add red color in the shadows just a little bit, so bring this point. Yeah, that's fine. Just like this. Yeah, that's good. And bring this point a little bit down. That's okay. Then select green, and again here bring this point a little bit up. That's good. That's fine. Another point. That's fine. then go to blue, and again bring this point a little bit up. I think this is fine. That's good. Add another point. Yeah, that's fine. Then coming to sharpness, I want to add a little bit sharpness to the image. That's fine. And come to the noise reduction, just working for the luminance. Now coming to the SSL adjustment and the hue. I want to adjust +4 for reds and orange -5 and -45 for yellows. -83 for greens. That looks good now. And 33 for aquas. -10 for blues. 2 for purples. And 35 for magenta. Then go to saturation. And -52 for red. -32 for orange. And -80 for yellow. And -42 for green. And +80 for aquas. Again -24 for blues. And 18 for purples. And 29 for magentas. Then go to luminance. -18 for reds. -16 for orange. -2 for yellow. And then 30 for greens. Then -34 for aquas. -8 for blues. And 38 for or 40 for purples. Then come into the split toning, and here in the highlight section I want to add a reddish color a little bit, so I'm going with 3, 4, 7 and saturation around 10-12%. That's good. And 30 for balance. We come into shadows, and I'm a little bit yellowish color, so I'm going with 64. And saturation, I think 2. That's fine. Then I wanna add some green. Put in here, and I'm giving 30 for size and roughness around 14. I think it's fine. So I think it's done. So look at this. I think it's fine. Press OK when you are done. If you love this video, hit the like button, leave your comments, and don't forget to subscribe.